Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open your car boot lid in different ways. Mercedes-Benz C180. Okay, let's start. Open and close it. Now with your remote, press and hold the boot lid button and then the boot lid will snap up, as you can see. Next step, only open the car by using, for example, the remote, and then lift up the lever located the Mercedes star, and as you can see, the boot lid is going up. Good job. Now let's close it. And another way is to open the driver's side, and there it is. There is a lever too. This lever you're going to pull and hold, and have a look. The boot lid will open automatically. Good job, easy going. So these are some different ways to open your boot lid. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.